Want to become a millionaire by mastering Chatgpt? Today, you're one step closer to that dream. Chatgpt is a groundbreaking AI language model, revolutionizing the tech industry and opening doors to massive financial opportunities. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I get started? Well, it's simpler than you think. Before you dive in, grasp the basics. Chatgpt is an open-source language prediction model developed by OpenAI. It's like an intelligent pen pal, predicting and generating human-like text based on the information it receives. Picture it as a chess player, anticipating your next move based on your previous ones. But instead of chess pieces, it works with words. Grasping these fundamental aspects is crucial to fully harness the power of this tool. With the basics down, it's time to explore how you can put Chatgpt into practical use. Chatgpt is more than just a fancy tech tool. It has real-world applications that can change the way we interact with technology. Imagine using it for chatbots, providing instant, intelligent responses to customer inquiries, or as virtual assistants, streamlining tedious tasks. It can even be a game-changer for content creation, generating engaging and original text. Mastering these applications can open doors to profitable ventures in the booming AI industry. Now that you understand its practical uses, let's move on to the final step, learning how to use it. Learning to use Chatgpt is your key to unlocking its potential. And guess what? It's not as difficult as you might think. The journey begins with accessing the OpenAI platform, a world of AI wonders. Then, you start experimenting with Chatgpt, playing with its functionalities, seeing what it can do. It's a continuous learning process, with each experiment opening up new possibilities. Remember, mastering Chatgpt could be your ticket to becoming a millionaire. So, why wait? Start your Chatgpt journey today. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards mastering Chatgpt. Today, we've covered the basics of Chatgpt, explored its practical applications, and walked through the learning process. Your millionaire journey starts here. Keep learning, and the sky's the limit.